Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of the Windows 10 taskbar not hiding in full screen. It can be quite annoying, but worry not, as we have a solution for you. Let's get started. First, go to your Start menu and open Settings by clicking on the gear symbol. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Windows key +I combination. Once the Settings window is open, choose the Personalization option. Now, navigate to the Taskbar section. Here, you'll find various settings related to your taskbar. Look for the prompt that allows you to automatically hide the taskbar when your screen is in desktop mode. Make sure the toggle for automatically hiding the taskbar in tablet mode is active as well. Once you've made the necessary changes, it's time to put it to the test. Restart your game or any other program that normally works in full screen mode. Check if the taskbar has disappeared as expected. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of the Windows 10 taskbar not hiding in full screen. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.